Despite being an independent and active young man, without assistance in the daily tasks that can be challenging for someone living with a disability, I wouldn't be able to reach my full potential and live independently at home. I'm fortunate enough to have my mom to provide that assistance as my home care worker. I chose my mom because no one knows me or my disability better. She has given up her own career and is now working for lower wages with no benefits or vacation in a job that isn't really considered real work. But let me tell you, lifting my wheelchair in and out of the trunk a dozen times a day is real work. Helping me get in and out of my kayak at the lake at 6 o'clock in the morning is real work. Helping me in the bathroom is real work, and I wouldn't want just anyone doing it. I'm not alone. There are thousands of people in Minnesota living with disabilities who rely on home care workers. There are thousands of elderly Minnesotans, our parents and grandparents, who rely on home care workers. We all want the same thing. We want the choice to live independently in our homes. We want to be able to choose our home care workers. We want home care workers who take the job seriously. And we want the work they do to be taken seriously. Home care workers should have decent wages. They should have benefits, vacation, and sick pay. They should have training opportunities. They should also have the same rights as any other workers to choose to join a union. Home care workers need a strong voice in order to improve their working conditions, which improves our living conditions. Fair pay, benefits, and proper training would add some much-needed stability to a career that is plagued by turnover and is facing a shortage of workers as Minnesota's population ages. This would make being a home care worker a practical career path. We're talking about decent jobs taking care of our fellow Minnesotans. Doing the right thing here will save the state and taxpayers money. Forcing all our baby boomers into institutions would cost like $1 bazillion, and they would not like it. It is much cheaper to pay a home care worker. I don't want a handout. All I want is a little assistance so I can continue my education and get a rewarding career. When the day comes that I need to find someone else to be my home care worker, I should be able to find someone who will take the job as seriously as my mom does. Thank you.